Now we are going to learn exprimer la durée. How to express the duration. Durée d'une action qui continue dans le présent. So, how to explain an action which is continuing in the present. That is, it started long ago and it is still continuing. So, here are some words that we use. À partir d'une date. So, from one date. Depuis quand? Since when? Tu habites à Paris? Depuis quand? The meaning of this is since when? Tu habites à Paris? So, can you understand? It is an action that is continuing in the present. Depuis quand? Since when? So, you are still living in Paris. Depuis quand tu habites à Paris? J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris depuis Octobre. So, since October. So, from October, even in the present, the action is continuing. So, this is one word you need to remember, depuis. Then, another example of a question. Depuis combien de temps? Since how long? Depuis combien de temps elle habite à Paris? So, you can answer this question either using il y a or ça fait. Il y a or ça fait longtemps qu'elle habite à Paris. So, what we needed to learn here was how to express the duration. So, the question, when you're asking a question, you can use depuis quand, since when, or depuis combien de temps, since how long. And you can answer using depuis or il y a or ça fait longtemps qu'elle habite à Paris. It is long time that she lives in Paris. So, this is the word we are learning here. So, there are some more words that you need to learn when expressing the duration. So, we will see what those words are. Now, some more situations where we need to express the duration. Duration, durée entre une action passée, duration between an action in the past et le moment présent and the present moment. Depuis combien de temps êtes-vous arrivé? So, since how long have you arrived? To express the duration between an action in the past and the present moment. So, how long has it been since you arrived? So, the action in the past is the arrival and the present moment. So, the duration between the time the person arrived and the present moment. Elle est arrivée depuis. So, depuis is since, or you can use il y a, or you can use ça fait. 10 minutes. So, again we are using the word depuis. Another word here is to express durée, duration, sans relation avec le présent, which is not related to the present. So, then we use pendant. Pendant 5 ans, il a travaillé chez Peugeot. So, these are some cases where we need to use the expression of duration. So, how long or how long since? How long has it been? So, the word here is depuis in the question. Depuis, depuis combien de temps? So, these are some words we can use to ask a question. To answer, we can use again the word depuis or il y a or ça fait. And then when you have to explain the duration of something that is not related to the present, so then we use the word pendant. So, I hope you understood, and we will now do some exercises showing how to express the duration.